Good morning, students. Social science lesson number 14. Yesterday we discussed about the physiographic divisions of India, and there are 5 regions are there: northern mountainous region, great northern plains, peninsular plateau, coastal plains, archipelagos. Yesterday we completed these two: northern mountainous region and great northern plains. Today we are going to learn peninsular plateau, coastal plains, archipelagos. Then first peninsular plateau. The shape of the peninsular plateau is inverted triangle. Inverted triangle. You can see the picture here. Inverted triangle. The height is 600 to 900 meters. Here the peninsular plateau's height is 600 to 900 meters. It is situated in the southern part of India. That is why this peninsular plateau is also called the southern plateau, and water surrounded. Already we know that water surrounded. Here the western side Arabian Sea is there. Here Arabian Sea. Then south the Indian Ocean. Here Indian Ocean. And the Bay of Bengal. The 3 sides are surrounded by water. That is why the land surrounded by 3 side water is called a peninsula. So that because of this reason, this plateau is also called a peninsular plateau. Peninsular plateau. This plateau can be divided into again 2 parts: Malwa plateau and Deccan plateau. This peninsular plateau is again divided into two regions: Malwa plateau and Deccan plateau. Malwa plateau and Deccan plateau. Aravalli range is situated in the northwest part here. The northwest part of Aravalli range is situated in the northwest part of Malwa plateau. Here Malwa plateau will come. Here Deccan plateau. So Aravalli range is situated in the northwest part of Malwa plateau. Aravalli is the one of the oldest and fold mountain. This Aravalli mountain will come here. It is the fold mountain. Fold mountain, you know that how the fold mountain is came to existence. 2 plates are coming together. They are collided each other. That time the middle part is coming upside like that. Like that mountains are formed. That mountains are called fold. So Aravalli mountain is the oldest and Aravalli mountain. It is the oldest and fold mountain. Fold mountain, how it is folding. You know that this is one plate and here another plate, and here the land is there. When the plates are coming together and they collided each other, here the land will go up. So like that fold will come. So bending, the land will bend and fold like that. Fold mountains are originating. And Mount Abu, famous hill station on this. Mount Abu, the famous hill station, we know that it is in Rajasthan. Here Rajasthan is there. So here then Mount Abu is in this Aravalli range. Again Guru Shikhar is the highest peak. Guru Shikhar is the highest peak. Guru Shikhar, it is the highest peak in this range, Aravalli range, and the height of this Guru Shikhar is 1722 meters. This is the highest peak in this Aravalli range, and many rivers are also originating from this Aravalli, like Duni and Banas are also originating from this Aravalli mountain. Next, Deccan plateau. So first this peninsular plateau is divided into 2, Malwa plateau and Deccan plateau. And Malwa plateau we studied, it is northwest of this Malwa plateau is Aravalli range. It is the oldest and fold mountain, and Mount Abu is in this Aravalli range, and Guru Shikhar is the highest peak in this range. The height of this Guru Shikhar is 1722 meters. Many rivers are also, Kuni and Banas is also originating from this Aravalli mountain. Next, Deccan plateau. And next, Deccan plateau. Deccan plateau is situated in the southern part of this Malwa plateau. Here Malwa plateau, and the Deccan plateau is situated in the southern part of Malwa plateau. And this Deccan plateau, Here it is Western Ghats and here the Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats. Ghats means mountain only. Western. This here we can see when we are seeing the India map. You can see here Western Ghats. Western Ghats, and this Western Ghats have several local names. These Western Ghats have several local names. That local names you have to learn. It is known as Sahyadri. This Western Ghats is known as Sahyadri. Sahyadri. This Western Ghats is known as Sahyadri in Maharashtra and Karnataka. Maharashtra and Karnataka, this Western Ghats is known as Sahyadri, and in Tamil Nadu it is known as Nilgiri. Tamil Nadu it is known as Nilgiri, and in Kerala it is known as Annamalai. Eastern side of Deccan Plateau is in the Eastern Ghats. Here it is Eastern Ghats. Most of the rivers flow towards eastwards and meet the Bay of Bengal. Completed Peninsular Plateau. Now I will show you image of Peninsular Plateau. This map, the highlighted part in yellow is Malwa Plateau, and to the south of it we can see Deccan Plateau. Next, coastal plain. Peninsular Plateau. Already we studied this Peninsular Plateau is surrounded by narrow belt, like that narrow belt of plains from Kutch to Odisha. Kutch to Odisha, narrow belt, that is called coastal plains. Here western coastal plain and here eastern coastal plain. Coastal plain divided into western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain, eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain start from Kutch to Kerala. Kutch to Kerala. Western coastal plain starting from Kutch and Kerala. Here to here, western coastal plain. It is when we are comparing with the eastern coastal plain, it is very narrow. Only western coast plain extends from Gujarat to Kerala. Except in Gujarat, the plain is mostly narrow. And important ports, there are many natural ports in this western coast, which include Mumbai. Important ports. Important natural ports are there: Mumbai, Marmagova. Are the important ports in western coast. Have developed the backwaters. Backwaters in locally it is called Kayal. In Kerala it is backwater is called Kayal. So backwaters have developed along the coast of Kerala, and these are known as Kayal in local language. East coast plain, already I told you that east coast plain is broader than west coast plain. Then its northern coast is called, here the northern coast is called North Sarkar Coast. North Sarkar Coast. North Sarkar Coast. Sarkar Coast, and southern Tamil Nadu coast is called Coromandel Coast. Coromandel Coast. So coastal plain, southern peninsula, there is narrow belt is there, Kutch to Odisha, and east western coast starting from Kutch to end Kerala. And important natural ports are there, Mumbai and Marmagao, and in southern Kerala there is backwaters are there. Locally these backwaters are called Kayal. East coast plain is much broader than the west coast plain. Northern coast is called North Sarkar Coast, and Tamil Nadu coast is called Coromandel Coromandel Coast. Coromandel Coast. Now we completed coastal plains. Now I will show coastal plains in India map. In this image, we can see Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, and narrow blue color belt is coastal plains. East side we can see Coromandel Coast. Next we are studying archipelagos. Archipelagos means group of islands. Group of islands. Already we know that in Arabian Sea, here it is Arabian Sea, here Lakshadweep Islands are there. Lot of islands are there, Lakshadweep Islands, and in Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal. Here the number of islands is also more, and it is situated in the far away from Indian coast. It is far away from Indian coast, Andaman and Nicobar Island. There are many small islands in Lakshadweep. Here many small islands in Lakshadweep, and these are located in some distance of Kerala coast. Kerala coast from some distance only from Kerala coast. Lakshadweep islands are situated some distance from Kerala, and these islands have a horseshoe shape. Horseshoe is how it is shaped. We know that horseshoe shape. Such coral islands are called atolls. Horseshoe shaped islands are called atolls. Afterwards, you will study about that lagoon lakes. Because of lagoon lakes also we are calling. Now you study only atolls. Horseshoe shaped islands are called atolls. So we studied physiographic divisions. There are 5 physiographic divisions: Northern Mountainous Region, Great Northern Plains, Peninsular Plateau, Coastal Plain, Archipelagos. So revise this all the lesson up to this. Thank you.